Greetings and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll show you how to write a motivation letter for Swiss university admission. This document serves as a personal statement to support your application. In the header section, you will provide your personal contact information at the top, including your name, address, city, postal code, email address, and phone number. This is followed by the details of the university's admissions office, including the university name, address, city, postal code, and the date of your application. Afterward, you'll include the subject line stating the purpose of your letter, in this case, motivation letter for admission to program name. The opening greeting to the admissions committee should be formal and respectful with "Dear Admissions Committee." After that, write, "I am writing to express my keen interest in joining the program name at university name. With a strong academic background in your previous field of study and a passion for relevant interest, I am eager to enhance my knowledge and contribute to the dynamic academic environment of your esteemed institution. The university's commitment to excellence and innovative research aligns with my aspirations of gaining a world-class education while engaging in cross-cultural experiences that Switzerland offers. My previous studies and practical experiences have equipped me with the analytical and problem-solving skills necessary for excelling in this program. I am particularly drawn to mention any specific course, faculty, or research aspect at university name, as it perfectly complements my academic and career goals. I am confident that the knowledge and exposure gained here will enable me to make meaningful contributions to my field and society. Sincerely, your name." Here's our sample motivation letter for Swiss university admission. See how it effectively highlights the applicant's passion for their chosen program, demonstrates their academic potential, and outlines their long-term goals. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and compelling motivation letter that strengthens your university application. This letter helps the admissions committee understand your qualifications and your potential to contribute to both the academic community and your future career. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on writing impactful university motivation letters.